Out of the top 5 reasons homeowners update their bathrooms, number 1, the need for a shower. And PJ Fitzpatrick is your home for professional one-day bath and shower installations. Swap your old high-sided tub for an easy access shower with our custom tub-to-shower conversion. Choose the upscale look of marble or granite without all the problems and maintenance. And listen to this, your new shower can be installed in as little as 1 day.
It looks tremendously better. It looks clean all the time. It looks much more modern than the other one, very smooth and all that, and it just has a great appearance, and it cleans real easy too.
It's a great time to call. Now during our bathroom makeover sale, receive 50% off installation, great financing, ask about no payments and no interest for 1 year. Call 1-800-571-8201. Call during this program and receive a $100 Visa gift card with your purchase.